inaano ko yung temper ko, yung sabi ko, parang napapansin ko na ini-insist niya talaga na parang, di ba mali naman talaga? Ba't may insist ayaw nga ng customer, di ba? Mali naman yun.
At ang biktima, si Dondon. Kasabot namin.
Kasi sa kanila may gustong kumain ng baboy daw mo. Pinipilit mo ako eh, ayoko nga kumain. Kung baboy shop eh.
Ganda, sandali, uno mo muna. Wala, pre! Yes, Rayan, si Mami Junish.
Normal mo naman. Friends na tayo, di ba?
Ito na ang muling paki. Ito na ang muling paki.
Papi! Papi!
Nilagnat ka na.
Marnie, dito ka sa news monitoring team, ha? May Iraq war ngayon, kaya busy-busyhan lahat. Baguhan ka pa sa team, pero Reuters News...
Ulit ka muna lang.
Must be love at first sight. You were just part of a dream. Nothing more would be seen. But my love, can you wait much longer? Just can't forget the picture of your smile. 'Cause every time I close my eyes, you come alive. The closer I get to touching you, the closer I get to loving you. I give me time, just a little more time. Oh, we'll be together with a little smile, special smile. A twinkle in your eyes and a little while. Give me time, just a little more time, so we can get closer with you and I. Feeling like I could love you more, so much stronger than before. Why does the sun like a dream? So much more, so it seems. I guess I'll find my inspiration with just one smile and take my breath away. So hold me close and say and stay with me now. The closer I get to touching you, the closer I get to loving you. I got me time, just a little more time. Oh, we'll be